The construction workforce is changing. Empower Her is a 2-day workshop at CONEXPO-CON designed for people shaping the future of construction. It's focused on supporting women in construction and helping businesses, leaders, and teams learn how to attract, empower, and grow women as a vital part of today's workforce. Women are a growing part of the industry. Empower Her creates space for open, practical conversations around opportunity, leadership, and inclusion so teams can better support one another. You'll connect with women across the industry to share experiences, insight, and best practices while learning what it takes to build workplaces where people want to stay and grow. Sessions explore mentorship, leadership development, health and well-being, and preparing the next generation, topics that strengthen people, teams, and businesses. You'll also hear from a community-centered panel moderated by Missy Sherber, featuring Katie Kelleher, Ebony Jennings, Amy Henningfield, and Amy Underwood, the Digger Girl, sharing real experiences from across the industry. Add the Empower Her workshop to your CONEXPO-CON registration and be a part of building a stronger construction workforce.